Hi, I'm Miss Janet. Today we are going to talk about trigonometric calculations. This tutorial will be divided into two parts. Firstly, we will review the Factor Theorem, and then followed by the trigonometric calculations. In this tutorial, all equations are only applied in a right-angled triangle. The green circle shows the label of a right angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. The opposite side of the right angle is the hypotenuse, labeled as h. The hypotenuse is also the longest side of the right-angled triangle. According to the Factor Theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two remaining sides. We can see that all figures have a right angle. We can circle the right angle first, so we can identify that which side is the hypotenuse. According to the Factor Theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two remaining sides. Now you can try to do these several questions. Then we move on to the trigonometric calculation. Before we go through the trigonometric ratio equations, you need to know all the names of the sides in a right-angled triangle. In this figure, we can quickly circle the right angle, which is the opposite of the hypotenuse. How about two remaining sides? In the figure, an angle is labeled as theta. The side between the theta and the right angle is called adjacent side, labeled as A. The side opposite to the theta is called opposite side, labeled as O. As we know all the names of the sides in a right-angled triangle, there are three trigonometric ratios equations. Sin theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And tangent theta is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. However, it is easy to mix up these three equations. There is a PV formula to help you to memorize this equation. So-called TOA. The first letter of these three words are S, C, and T. S refers to sine, C refers to cosine, and T refers to tangent. For example, SOH means sin theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. At this moment, you don't know how to use this PV formula in the trigonometric calculations. Don't worry, later on I will show you how to use it. Before working on trigonometric calculations, we need to know how to solve an angle by using a calculator. Now, take out your calculator. In example 4, sin theta is equal to 0.5. So you need to press Shift sin 0.5 and exe. The screen will show 30. Remember that theta is an angle, so you should put the unit here. Now you can try to do the examples 5 and 6. Before doing the questions, we can recite the PV formula first. So-called TOA. Now you can follow me to use this PV formula in the following calculations. In example 7, 5 is opposite to the theta. I put O here. 12 is between theta and the right angle. I put A here. There are O and A, so T is used. T means tangent, therefore tangent theta is equal to 5 over 12. In example X, 4 is opposite to 20 degrees, I put O here. X is opposite to the right angle, I put H here. There are O and H. Therefore, S is used in this case. Sine 20 degrees is equal to 4 over X. In the last question, phi is between the theta and the right angle. I put A here. Root 13 is opposite to the right angle. I put H here. There are A and H. Therefore, C is used in the last question. Cosine theta is equal to phi over root 13. Now you can take a couple of minutes to do question 4 to 6. Finally, to have a quick revision of this tutorial, remember that all equations are only applied in a right angle triangle. So we need to find the right angle first. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two remaining sides. By using the PV formula SOHCAHTOA, three trigonometric ratio equations can easily be memorized. I hope you can enjoy this tutorial.